Okay, here we go. I am starting the first ever video with my brand new OKIOCAM from OKIOLab. I got it donated through OKIOShare, and thank you so much, because now I can demo for my kids at home and for my kids in my classroom, and they can see everything clearly at one time. So this project is a spider web. So the first thing that I'm going to do is find a spot on my page. It doesn't have to be exactly in the center. And from that point, you go straight to the outside, making straight lines. This project is a lot of fun for little kids and for big kids, because everybody loves spiders, or I should say everybody hates spiders. So after I'm finished making all of my straight lines, I'm going to make a slightly curved line, and it's going to go from the inside to the outside on every line. Now this is where I can use my OKIOCAM to do a speed up, which I'm not familiar with yet because it's the first time I'm using it. For me, I only take one step at a time. It's easier for me that way, so I'm just going to draw the whole thing, and hopefully when we can go into edit, I can speed it up. I think that is one of the features. Now I got this cam through the OKIOShare program, and that means I have to promise to send or to post videos that I make on the OKIOLab social media site. So I hope that you all can either apply and post your videos or even buy one. They're not that expensive. They're $69, and a lot of you probably have districts that will purchase them for you. For me, I have to purchase everything myself, including my art supplies, so I rely on donations. So OKIOLab donors choose, or people that know I'm in need will just like randomly drop off stuff at my house. I have 760 students. I teach between pre-K and 6th grade. I have been at my school for 6 years, but I've been teaching art for 9. I went back to school. I guess I can just talk to you while I'm doing this. I went back to school when my kids were in middle school and high school to become a teacher. I got my master's from Queens College in elementary education, but because I had an art undergrad degree, I was hired on the spot to teach art in an elementary school. Shortly after that, I got my art certification, so I was dually certified. Teaching online is difficult, especially because most of the kids are not in front of me. And the little kids, they really miss out on having hands-on art. But luckily, parents have been very supportive. There's my web. Once I have my web, I'm going to draw my spider. So I'm going to draw my head. I'm going to draw my body. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we have 8 legs. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could get more detailed with your spider, but there's really no, I don't want to take more time, and I'm not really a great artist. I am actually a graphic designer, so I do not draw well. So now that I have my spider, I'm going to take this. I'm going to move it to the side. I'm going to take a piece of foil, and I'm going to use markers in a rainbow. And it doesn't have to be very neat on the foil. You could just scribble. I'm going to use, oops, red, orange, yellow. You don't want to use complementary colors because it'll get all muddy. So this is a perfect opportunity to teach color theory because you have the primary, you have the secondary, what mixes, what doesn't mix. You can also do it in, you could do monochromatic, you could do warm and cool. And the purple barely made it, so I'm going to also add it to the other side. Okay, and now I'm going to use a spray bottle. I got it at the dollar store, but I'm sure with all your cleaning supplies you have an empty bottle lying around. And I'm going to spritz and spritz. Maybe you should test it before. And then I'm going to take my spider web and I'm going to put it over and I'm going to burnish it really well. Burnish, 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 burnish. Now right now I am at 5 minutes. So this is a really quick video and the kids will get an instant, automatic, beautiful result. So I hope you can do this with your kids. I hope the parents can do it with their kids. And thank you so much to OKIOCAM. I couldn't have been doing this without you. Thank you.